Alright, for all you Trailblazer fans and envoys, this is my 2002 Trailblazer, and been having some issues lately with it. And here today, as you can see, we got a radiator problem. Got a cap. I had a problem with the engine gurgling, and it kept putting excess fluid back in the reservoir, and I checked the cap and everything earlier and it was fine, but today I went to take the cap off, and would you know, it basically came off in two pieces. This piece came off here, but this piece actually got stuck down in here, and I had to take a screwdriver, a big flat screwdriver, something pretty big, and kind of put some gouges in it here so I could actually turn this and pull it up, and actually got it out. And you can see the O-ring here. Seems to be okay, but what happened was a crack had developed right around here, and I didn't see it. And when I went to take this off, of course, with heat and just being old, I guess, these things sometimes will snap off. So if you take your cap off and you see part of this is still in here, this is what you're going to have to do. Now, I did get a new cap, and it's actually right here. It's only like $11. And here's what the new one is supposed to look like. You see we got the nice O-ring there, and also we have a secondary O-ring which is down in there where my thumb is. If you can see on the very bottom there, so you got one there, you got an O-ring on top. So make sure your O-rings are okay and your threads are okay. So this one here is a 15-pound cap, but I'm happy I got this out because I did not think I was going to be able to get this out, and I didn't want this to fall in down the radiator. So it looks like we're okay here. I don't see any gouges. That looks pretty good. And our caps are pretty much identical. Now if you look closely here, you can see on the inside here, I don't know if you can see this, but there are some cracks here, so might be ahead just to go out and get you a new cap. So we'll put this one on here like this, and we'll tighten her down, and I may have to play around and get the threads just right here. Let's see if I can get started. There we go. There we go. All right. And now we'll get a brand new cap. And of course, if you look at the reservoir here, it's a little low right now because some of it actually puked out when it got kind of warm. So just wanted to kind of make a video for you guys. Always check your radiator cap on these Trailblazers because they do have problems. So alright, so it's out with the old and in with the new, and I shouldn't have any more problems. So there you go. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and say hi. Let me know where you're watching from. And until my next video, guys, I'll see you later.